Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest financial hacks to make your money moves effortless. Today, we're diving into how to deposit money from HSBC to Wise in 2025. With banking tech evolving fast, this guide will help you transfer funds smoothly, saving you time and potential headaches. Whether you're sending money for travel, investments, or just splitting bills, Wise is a fantastic option for low-fee international transfers. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest HSBC app installed on your phone or access to their website. In 2025, HSBC has streamlined their interface, so updates are key to avoiding glitches. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually right on the home screen for easy access. Next, you'll need to add Wise as a recipient. If you haven't done this before, select Add New Payee and enter Wise's details. Wise, formerly TransferWise, now supports direct bank transfers, so input your Wise account number and sort code if you're in the UK, or the equivalent IBAN for other regions. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Typos are the enemy here. Now, for the fun part. Enter the amount you want to transfer. HSBC might show you any fees up front, so keep an eye on that. Aim for off-peak times to minimize costs. Hit Confirm and authorize the payment with your security PIN or biometric verification. In 2025, expect faster processing, often within minutes for domestic transfers. Once that's done, hop over to your Wise app to confirm the deposit. It should appear in your Wise balance shortly. Pro tip: always verify your Wise account details in advance and keep an eye on exchange rates if it's an international move. And there you have it. That's how you deposit money from HSBC to Wise in 2025. This method is secure, efficient, and perfect for modern banking. If you run into any issues, check HSBC's Help Center or contact their support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more finance tips, and let us know in the comments if you have questions. See you next time.